Welcome back to Aflah Online School. Kusoo dhawaada dugsiga Aflah Online, and I'm your teacher Ahmed. Today, our lesson, we do want to finish the last conversation between the police officer and the driver. And here is some words that I think it's necessary to maybe to learn. Ereyo, words, and police or askari. This police, it's international. Wherever you go, most of the time, the word police is some word that you can understand wherever you go. And in same Somalia, if you go, the people they might have police. It is another way that they did say police, but it's same. Askari also means police. Also it could mean a soldier, anyone in the army or anyone who works a member of the uniform army could be askari, please. Waxaan ahay askari. If you want to say someone that you're introducing yourself and you want to say that you're a police officer, you can say this sentence, waxaan ahay askari. Nabad, that means peace. Stag, joogso, that's an order. If you do want to say someone stop, either you can say stag or joogso. Both means stop, especially when you're giving an order. Stop the car, istaaji gaariga, jooji gaariga. If you look here and here, you see there's a change. Istaaji, that's when you put it in a sentence, and or when you want to make it a complete sentence, it changes. The word itself, the back of the word, it changes. Like here, soco or dhaqaaq. If you want to say dhaqaaji, you have to say dhaqaaji. Okay, dhaqaaji or soco, that means also move or walk. If you are a police officer and someone is standing somewhere and he doesn't understand you in English, you can say soco, that means walk or move. If it's a vehicle and you say dhaqaaji gaariga, move the car, that means dhaqaaji gaariga or walk. Let's go to the next one. Okay, sabab means reason or why. Sababta aad ii istaajisay maxay tahay? Why did you stop me? Sababta aad ii istaajisay maxay tahay? Why did you stop me? Sabab, so that's a reason. Why? Ticket, it's also another word that's a kind of universal. Most of the people still, whether that's a ticket for airplane or bus ticket, no matter what, and or police ticket, issues, citation, still is ticket. So it's a different way of writing ticket, but it is ticket. Waxaan ku siiyay ticket. I issue a ticket, or I want to give you a ticket. Waxaan ku siinayaa, I am issuing a ticket to you. Okay, maxkamad, court. Waxaad aadi kartaa maxkamadda. You can go to court. Waxaad aadi kartaa maxkamadda. You can go to court. Taariikh, that means date. Taariikhdan waa inaad aadaa maxkamadda. You need to go to court this date. You need to go to court this date. Taariikh so means date. Last one, xaggee, that means where. Xaggee ku socotaa, that means where are you going. Xaggee ku socotaa, xaggee, that means where are you going. Gaari means car. There is a couple of different ways. Baabuur, but gaari also it is, gaari. Sometimes you will see some people, they might write R-E here. The gaari, that's another, dialect. A little bit different between South and Central or South and North, but both it's correct. And you can put R-E here, or you can put D-H-I, gaariga. Kani waa gaarigayga. This is my car. Kani waa gaarigayga. This is my car. This is the Aflah Online